Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rizaldi Dimas Pramudia, NBI 1422000030. Curriculum vitae 20 December 2021. Personal details. Name Rizaldi Dimas Pramudia. Address Krian Jenggolo Permai, RT2 RW1, Melati, number age 20. Cell phone 089531802863. Email rizaldidimaspram90@gmail.com. Date of birth 90 April 2001. Nationality Indonesian. Gender male. Marital status student. Regions East Java. Education details 2007 until 2030 SDNBG 01. 2030 until 2060 SMP in 4 Tuban. 2016 until 2019 SMKN 1 Tuban. Skill mechanical engineering, able to operate Microsoft Office, AutoCAD, manual drawing, able to finish job on time, can work with a team. Personality, good attitude, discipline, communicative, honest, hard worker and responsible, and kind. Cover letter December 2020 2021. Head of HRD PT Astra Honda Motor Karawang. With respect, based on the information I received from PT Astra Honda Motor as a job opening as finance staff. In connection with that, I would like to apply for said position. Here is my brief biography. Name Rizaldi Dimas Pramudia. Gender male. Date of birth Lamongan 19 April 2001. Education S1 Mechanical Engineering. Phone number 090809531802863. Email rizaldidimaspram19@gmail.com. I can speak English both oral and verbal. I also have to skill Microsoft Office, AutoCAD, manual drawing in the work. For your consideration, I have also attached multiples such as curriculum vitae, copy of transcript, photocopy of diploma, latest 3x4 photograph, ID, government copy. I hope I can get the chance to follow the next test so I can talk about my abilities and skill in person with you. Thank you for the attention. Please regards, Rizaldi Dimas Pramudia.